Welcome back to Lab Cyber. Now, a few weeks ago, I made a video where I talked about the best programming languages for cybersecurity. And in that video, I specifically mentioned that out of all those languages I mentioned, Python would be the most ideal language to learn if you are interested in cybersecurity. Now, because of this, I had a few people reach out to me asking me to make a separate video where I explain in more detail why I believe Python to be the best programming language for cybersecurity. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 major reasons why Python is the best programming language for cybersecurity. But before I give you those 5 reasons, if you're new here to the channel, welcome to Lab Cyber. My name is Alex. I discuss all things cybersecurity and AI. So if you do like content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, without wasting any more time, let me give you the 5 major reasons why Python is the best programming language for cybersecurity. So the first major reason is because by default, Python already comes with an unparalleled massive ecosystem of libraries that directly support cybersecurity. And when I say libraries, I'm talking about libraries like your Scapy for packet crafting. We have Paramiko for SSH automation, and we even have beautiful Soup and Selenium for automation and scrapping. So you as a security enthusiast, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to write your own code or develop all this code from scratch. You can simply tap into these ready-made blocks of code that Python already offers you, and this will greatly benefit you and aid you in your cybersecurity work. The second major reason has to deal with automation. Now, we all know that in cybersecurity, automation is a big deal. We want to be able to automate different kinds of tasks like vulnerability scanning, extracting IOCs from reports, or even log parsing. And Python is an excellent language for this because Python is able to integrate very, very easily with security platforms, with your SIEMs, with your APIs, and even cloud environments. And because Python is easily able to integrate with these different kinds of platforms, it is an excellent choice for automation and thus an excellent choice for cybersecurity. The third major reason is because Python is already widely used by both pen testers and hackers. So when you're talking about offensive tools, like let's say, for example, your Metasploit modules, your recon tools, web scanners, enumeration scripts, and so much more, these tools can be built with Python. And even defensive tools, maybe tools for authenticating users, registering users, or checking the strength of a password, you can also build these kinds of defensive tools with Python. So in other words, Python is a very, very powerful language with which you can build different kinds of cybersecurity tools and apps, whether for offensive or defensive purposes. Are you interested in both cybersecurity and Python programming? If the answer is yes, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Alex. I'd like to welcome you to my very special Python Programming for Cybersecurity course. Now, this is a course I've designed specifically for both cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts who would like to learn about Python programming, but in a way that is relevant to cybersecurity. So what exactly does a Python for cybersecurity course mean? It simply means that all the code and programs and tools we're going to build together in this course will be related to cybersecurity. Now, if you've never written a line of code in your life before, if you're completely new to the world of programming, don't worry, I'm going to teach you all the basics of programming, and of course, I will teach you the essentials of Python, such as variables and data types, control flow and loops, functions, data structures, object-oriented programming, file handling, and so much more. Now, along the way, we're also going to build together different types of cybersecurity tools, such as a password strength checker tool, an auditing tool, an encryption tool, and finally, for the class project, we're going to build together a user registration system. I should also mention that this course will come with tons of quizzes and coding exercises to test you, to challenge you, and ensure that you are on the right track. So if you're looking to add the Python skill to your resume, maybe you're trying to gain a promotion or forge a new career path, this course, Python Programming for Cybersecurity, is going to be perfect for you. So I hope you register for the course today, and I hope to see you on the inside. Cheers. The fourth major reason why Python is the best programming language for cybersecurity is simply because it is cross-platform compatible. Now, what this simply means is that you can write a script or a block of code with Python, and you can run that exact same code without any modification, without any edits on any platform that you want, whether it's the Mac OS platform, Linux, Windows, or any cloud environment. That script will run just fine. So Python's cross-platform compatibility feature makes it an excellent choice for cybersecurity. The fifth and final reason is because Python is actually quite a simple programming language to learn. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's a walk in the park. You do have to dedicate time and effort. But when compared to other programming languages like, say, Ruby or C or C++, you will discover very, very quickly that Python is actually very easy to learn compared to these other languages. The syntax is very, very straightforward. It's also very, very forgiving. And I do strongly believe that in a matter of weeks, if you're serious about learning Python, you will get a hang of it and you will be able to write some pretty powerful programs in just a matter of weeks when you're learning Python. So once again, Python, in my humble opinion, is an excellent choice for cybersecurity because it's actually a relatively easy language to learn. I'm going to give you a bonus reason. So reason number 6. This is because the online community, the learning resources, the support available for Python learners is very, very vast. Okay, you've got so many platforms, forums online that will teach you Python for free. You have excellent tutorials, plenty of community support, whether it's on GitHub or any other platform out there, Facebook groups. The learning community for Python is extensive, and Python is a pretty much beloved language in the programming community. And because of this, you will find it quite easy to learn about Python. And speaking of free resources, I actually do have a free 4-hour tutorial on learning Python for cybersecurity. It is part of the course I talked about earlier. I'll have a link down in the box for you below. I uploaded it here on YouTube a few months ago. So if you're interested, I'm going to give you 4 hours for free where you can learn some Python for cybersecurity. So that's it, guys, for today's video, where I have given you 5 or 6 reasons why Python is the best programming language for cybersecurity. If you have any questions, comments, maybe you have a different opinion, I would love to hear from you. Put them down in the comment section below. I will answer them as soon as I possibly can. If you enjoyed today's video, do give it a thumbs up. Share this video with anyone whom you feel might benefit from it. And as always, stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.